Alright, done. I told you that, man.
Okay, I'm trying to get...
Don't fucking drop that shit out the window either.
I'm afraid to get it on my fingers again.
Yeah, dude, you don't want to get it on your skin, cause... Oh my god! It's
My pants color!
Oh.
What? Man, why won't dude look like the other one? Go with these.
Maybe you have to like set it upright first and spray it out, just to like get the juices a working. Spray it in the fucking car. All the smoke coming out of it. Hold it upright first, and then try to shit. Twisting it. Do it if that'll, and then just get like maybe you just have to hold it up. I told you. Now do mine. More. Squeeze it real quick. Just. Here, just set it back in here.